Cone Out, an easy two-team game with the objective of knocking out both cones and your opposing team players. Today, we're going to be telling you about the equipment, setup, and the rules. To play this game, you'll need 10 cones or pins, 4 balls, 2 basketball hoops, a basketball court, and 2 teams. You can play this game on a basketball court which is 28 by 15 meters. There also needs to be space surrounding the court for the players out to stand. Inside both three-point lines, 5 cones will be placed in the middle with a zigzag order. Each team will start with 2 balls and 5 cones.
What are the rules of the game? The rules of the game are as follows. Both teams are not allowed to enter beyond either three-point lines. What you have to do first is knock down all 5 cones of the other team. When someone hits an opposing player with a ball, and the cones are all not knocked over yet, the player that got hit must run a lap around the basketball court and then rejoin the game afterwards. If someone catches the ball and the cones are still not knocked over, the person that threw the ball must run a lap and then rejoin the game as well. However, if all the cones are knocked over, the team can throw balls at the opposing team and whoever gets hit will be out of the game and stand on the outside of the court. If a ball rolls outside the court, the players that are out can throw the ball at an opposing team from outside of the sidelines. Can you bring back players? Yes, they'll be able to come back to the game if a player from their team scores a basket in the opposing team's basketball net.
To recap, the players in the court must try and knock the cones over while dodging balls thrown from the opposing team. If all the cones are not knocked over yet and someone throws a ball at someone from the other team, the player that got hit must run around the basketball court. If the player is hit and all the cones are knocked over, the player must stand outside of the basketball court and wait in line until someone from your team brings you back in the game by throwing a ball into the basketball hoop from the three-point line.
How does the game end? The game ends when one team doesn't have any more players left because the opposite team knocked down all of their cones and got all of the people out as well.
Thank you for watching. Have fun playing Cone Out, and we hope you enjoyed.